To school? No. What time you come to school? 1:30, right. And before that, what do you do? Before that, what do you do?
Holiday.
It's a holiday for you. Before that means what do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? Before you come to school. Before you come to school, what do you do? Homework. And where do you do your homework? At home? You do your homework because it is homework. So you do it at home. Now, who is there in your home? Is anybody there? Or you just lock the door and you come to school and you stay alone? Akele ho? Who's there? Friend? Mother, father,
Sister, brother,
and grandfather, grandmother. Now this grandmother and grandfather, Dadaji or Nanaji? Dadaji or Nanaji? Dadaji. So all are there. So when we say that there are Dadaji, Dadiji, Mama, Papa, Bhaiya, Didi, all are at home. So we say that my family is at home. So you stay with your family. You stay with your family. And family is nothing but all the members. They make a family. Like all the students make a all the students, you all are students of this class. Very good. You are students of this class. So students make a class, right? Students make a and the members make a at home. What do they make? Family. So all the members make a family, right? Now I'll show you something and now you will tell me what is it? Who is it? Chart paper? I'm not showing you the chart paper. Swimming pool? Why? Because it is very hot. We want to go to swimming pool. Will you please help me to give me this? Fine, thank you. Okay, now this is also a family. Who is he? Grandfather. What is he doing? Now answer me in a complete sentence. He is my not grand. He is my grandfather. He is very good. He is reading a newspaper. Now you tell me what is his name? Give me a name. Mr. Rakesh and surname? Yadav. Okay, he is Mr. Yadav. He is Mr. Rakesh Yadav. Let him be Yadav. How does it make a difference? He is Mr. Rakesh Yadav. How old can he be?
Until 75.
How can he be 100 years? 75. Very good. He is 75 years old. Now, he is reading a newspaper. Does he work anywhere? Does he work anywhere? Does he go to office? No. And tell me why not? If you are old, you sit at home? Why? He cannot walk, but he is fit. He can walk. He is very fit. Yes, she is right. That it is a rule that after 60 you cannot work, because then they say that now you are retired. What are you? Retired. Now you please sit at home, rest, because you are old now. You need rest. You have worked very, very hard. Now let your children work. अब बच्चों को काम करने दो, आप क्या करो? आराम. Because you are old. Old people get tired very easily, right? So now he is Mr. Yadav. He is 75 years old. He is a retired person. He is a retired person, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now who is she? Beta, it's not grandmother, it's grandmother. Right? She is my. Now what is her name? Okay, Chetna or Sunita. Let it be Sunita. Now, but what? Sunita what? Arey what? How can she be Sharma? Your grandfather is Yadav and your grandmother is Sharma? Why? Okay, now tell me, why is she Yadav only? Why can't she be Sharma? But why? Very right, because he is her husband. They are husband-wife, na?
Yes, sir.
That's why she will only be Mrs. Sunita Yadav. What is she? Mrs. And how do we write Mrs.? This is short form of Mrs. M-R-S is Mrs. That we write before ladies who are married. For men we write Mr. And suppose, okay, Mrs. Sunita. No, you only told me Sunita Yadav. Huh? Older than Dadaji. Okay, very fine. She is 70 years old. She is 70 years old. Now, does she do something? Does she go out to work? No, does she go out to work? Does she go out to work? Does she go to office? No? She is a housewife? She is a housewife? Okay. What do you think? What does she do at home? Play with? Play with whom? Whom does she play with? Girl? Who is that girl? My grandmother plays with us. हमारे साथ खेलती है ना? So, my grandmother plays with us. She tells us, what she tells us? Grandmother, what do grandmothers tell you? What do they tell you at night? सोने से पहले क्या करती हैं? Yes, so they tell you stories. So my grandmother plays with us. She tells us stories. She tells us stories. And how does she look? How does she look? No? Or she's happy, but how does she look? She is smiling because she is happy. अच्छी दिख रही है या बुरी दिख रही है? So she is good looking. So she is. My grandmother is beautiful. My grandmother is. She is very smart grandmother, right? Okay, now you tell me, why do we say that he is grandfather and she is grandmother? Why can't they be only mama and papa? How do you know that he is father's father? Because he is old. And how do you know that he is old? How do you know that he is old? बाल पक गए? कैसे कच्चे और पक्के कैसे होते हैं? बुढ़े कैसे होते हैं? How do you get old? Do I look old? Why not? Or do you? Does she look old? Why not? Jawan? Yes, she is young, but how? How do you say that she is young? No, the person who gets married is old. Your mother is very old. She walks like this. Huh? You tell me that how do you say that he is old or she is old and she is young? How do you say?
आंटी 50 के बाद इंसान ओल्ड हो जाता है.
50 के बाद सब इंसान ओल्ड हो जाते हैं.
आंटी
No. How do you make out? The person is not going to tell you that I am 50 years old, so you will say, oh, she is old. You have to look and see. You can make out just by looking at the person that he is old or he is not old, he is young. Now, Rahul Bhaiya doesn't come and tell you that I am 25 years old. Does he come and tell you?
Yes, sir.
He comes and tells you. But you know he is young? You know Priyanka auntie is young?
Yes, sir.
Does Priyanka auntie tell you that I am 20 years old?
No.
She never tells you that. But you know she is young. How do you know she is young and she is not old? Come on, think. How do you know a person is young or a person is old? But how do you know? बहुत साल हो गए. जो इंसान खुश रहता है वो he never gets old. No, but how do you know that he is 80 years old? Suppose if I won't tell you that he is 75 years old, you can't make out from the picture that he is old? You can't make out? Picture देख के पता नहीं चलता वो बुढ़ा है या जवान है? Can you make out or not? Yes. How? What is the difference between this and this? Or between this lady and this lady? What? हाँ, कैसे? How? Yes, those wrinkles that appear on your face. All old people have wrinkles. झुर्रियाँ पड़ती है ना? निशान नहीं, झुर्रियाँ. That your skin folds and forms wrinkles. What do we call them? Wrinkles. Wrinkle हो जाते हैं. Like नहीं, मुलायम नहीं हो जाते. Suppose this is a paper. This is a straight paper, right? It's a very smooth paper. Now if you crumble it like this, then it leaves some marks here. Right? Wrinkles पड़ गए ना? Same way. The old people's skin has these kinds of wrinkles. The skin becomes like this. समझ गए? So we say because he has wrinkles on his face. What else? What else? Yes. And one is wrinkles. Other thing? And no, grandmother and grandfather. Why do we call them grandmother and grandfather? Why not uncle, auntie? Yes, auntie.
No, auntie, दादी.
No, but why dadi amma and dadaji? Why? दीदी क्यों नहीं बोलते उनको? Why don't we call them दीदी and भैया? हाँ, but वो पापा की, suppose वो तुम्हारे पापा की मम्मी नहीं है, and if you meet an old man in the market, you will call him भैया?
No, auntie, uncle.
Why uncle? Now tell me why uncle? कितने बड़े और कैसे old? कैसे दिख रहे हैं वो? How do you make out the person is old? कुछ और दिखता है उसमें?
Yes, auntie, white and hair. Yes.
हाँ,
White hair.
we don't say white hair, we say grey hair. What do we say?
Yes.
He has grey hair and he is almost not takla, he is bald. he is not takla, he is, we say bald. Bald. When the head becomes like a ball. No hair and it shines. Then we say he no, he is not a ball. The head becomes like a ball, smooth. Then we say that he is bald. What do we say? He is bald. He is bald. And he bald. See, B-A-L-D, bald. And he has grey hair on the side. On the side. And grandmother also has? Not white hair, grey hair. Grandmother also has grey hair, right? And he also has grey. Not white, we say grey, right? So that's why we can make out that he is grandfather and she is grandmother, with the face, with the wrinkles on the skin and the grey hair, right? Okay, now tell me that who is he? Your father. What is his name? First tell me what is his name? Okay, Raju. Mr. Raju Yadav. What does he do? He is. What does he do? What is he? What is he? What is he? No, he is your father, but what is he? What does he do? He is a doctor. And how did you make out that he is a doctor? He has a very good. I must clap for you. He has a stethoscope. And where does he work? No, where does he? He is a doctor, so he treats you. No. First listen to me. Where does? First, no. Before answering, listen carefully. Where does he work? Yes. Where does he work? No. Answer in a complete sentence. He works in very good. He works in a hospital. Very good. Who is she? She is. What is her name? Rani. Mrs. Rani Yadav. What does she do? No. Right now she is cooking, but does she work anywhere? No. Okay, what is she doing right now? She is cooking. Cooking what? Food. She is cooking food. She is making a what? Chapati. She is making a chapati. But where does she work? What is she? No. Where does No dear. What does she go out? Does she do something? Okay, very good. She is a teacher. And where does she go? Yes, she works in a school. She works in. Very good. She is my mother. She is my mother. She is making a chapati. She cooks food. She cooks food. She is a teacher. She works in a. Say it. She works in a school. Very good. Now who is she? What is her name? Lavisha. Okay. Now what will we write? Mr. or Mrs.? Mrs. Is she married? No, she. We cannot write she. Not her. Miss. We will write for girls. We write Miss. M-I-S-S. Miss Lavisha Yadav. Okay. How old is she? 10 years. Okay. And how old are you? This is you. How old are you? How old are you? You just imagine that this is your picture. सोचो ये आपकी picture है. So how old are you? What is your age? What is your age? आप कितने बड़े हो? How old are you? 10 years old? Are you 10 years old? You are 9 years old? Okay, fine. So you are 9 years old. She is 10 years old. Okay. So Miss Lavisha Yadav, she is 10 years old. What is she doing? She is exercising. She is doing exercise. She is doing exercise. And why does she do exercise? Why do we do? To keep ourselves fit. To keep ourselves fit. आप एक्सरसाइज करते हो तो फिट रहते हो या नहीं? So she is doing exercise and she is how old is she? 10 years old. So she is your elder sister or younger sister? You are 9 years old and she is 10 years old. Younger. She is younger sister. छोटी है. Elder. She is your elder sister. And who is he? What is his name? Papa's name also Raju. And brother's name is? No Raja? Pappu. Okay, Pappu, yeah. So, and how old is he? How old is he? 7. Okay, fine. Master. Now he is a young boy, so we write Master Pappu Yadav. Master Pappu Yadav, he is 7 years old. So, is your brother younger than you or elder than you? You are 9 years old and he is 7 years old, so he has become elder. So say, he is my younger brother. He is 7 years old and he studies. Does he study or not? He studies in class. He studies in class 2. He is drinking milk. And why do you drink milk? Why do you drink? To keep you strong. To keep you. Yes. She is your. She is your elder. She is your elder sister. She is your. So this is your family. This is Mr. Yadav's family. Whose family is this? And who is she? Say, it is me. It is me. It is me. My name is. Say first. Say complete sentence. Shivani. My name is Shivani Yadav. I am 9 years old. I study in class 4. Okay. And I love my very good.